Hello, my name is Carlene Cadet Francois, and I help busy professionals open and operate successful assisted living facilities in Florida. Today, I have some crucial information to share with you about the generator. As you know, you are supposed to be able to maintain a cooling facility. God forbid an emergency happens and your power go out. This is the reason why a generator and a reserve fuel supply is a necessity to be able to power your emergency power system so that you can maintain the air conditioning along with other areas of your facility. This is very important when you're considering type of generator that you're going to purchase. It is true that you can have a portable generator, but that portable generator has to have direct connection with the main electrical supply of your home. Meaning, when the light go out, you have to be able to somehow connect that generator to the main supply of your home so that that generator can be able to power your electricity and be able to maintain that cooling standard that it needs to maintain. It also has to be able to be connected directly to your fuel supply. So this means that your generator needs to be able to, one, be connected to your main power line, two, be connected to your fuel, your emergency fuel line. Okay, so remember, you can get licensed with a portable generator. This beautiful ALF we're looking at, she has a portable generator, and this cord has to be connected to your main power to the whole house, okay? So that basically this generator connected, remember this piece because I'm about to show you where this piece goes. We're going to call it alpha, okay? We're going to call it alpha. So this generator has to be able to power your whole house, including your air conditioner. And an electrician is pretty much the one who takes care of this. So now I'm going to show you where it gets powered, okay? Where alpha is connected. The electrician added this piece. Okay, remember alpha? So alpha has to be connected over here, okay? It goes right into this little port, and this is connected to the whole house, and it will be able to power the air conditioner and everything inside of the house. This is the main point of having a generator, is so that it can power your whole house, and an electrician have to do this for you. And God forbid, when your lights go out during an emergency, you will be able to have the power that you need to maintain your residence. So do remember, you can have a portable generator, but it has to be sufficient enough to be connected to your whole house so that it can activate all of the electricity inside of your house or your ALF. And a licensed electrician will take care of this for you. And you have to have your emergency management plans for that. And pretty much make sure that you do what you need to do to keep your residents safe. And if you have a portable generator, this is what you need to get it powered. So it can power your AC and everything else inside of your facility. And as you can see, this cord, okay, this cord is the same cord that's on the wall over there. You see that? Same cord, okay, for this right here. So do remember, Although you can have the portable generator, it has to be done correctly. So God forbid there is an emergency, all she has to do, and her staff are trained on using this, all she has to do is connect this alpha to the other part that I show you, and the portable generator is sufficient, okay? It is important that you understand that, because oftentimes people will give you misinformation, and God forbid that somehow things happen, and if somehow you are licensed with an improper generator structure, you're going to have problems. Remember, different people do their jobs differently. So if you have an incompetent inspector that came to inspect your facility for your initial licensing, and they don't know the rules and they are not up to date with what's going on, and they pass you with a generator that is not directly connected to your main source of electric in your facility, so that when the light go out, that you're able to connect that to the main source and be able to keep your facility cool, may be able to be okay until that second year renewal come about. Or if you have a pop-up inspection where a competent inspector comes in, it's not going to go well. Okay. And then hopefully in between that nothing happens. Yes. So God forbid that a hurricane does happen while you are waiting for this competent person to come in, because you may not know about this, and now you can't maintain that requirement of keeping your seniors cool. You're going to have to activate your emergency management system and evacuate those residents to your emergency facility, and you're going to have to notify AHCA. It's a mess after that. Either way, it is something that you're going to have to do. So pretty much I wanted to come in and talk about this because I want to make sure that, for one, you know exactly what to expect so that you are educated and prepared. So when naysayers and incompetent inspectors come and didn't give you the correct information, now you know it, because at the end of the day, you are still responsible for caring for these seniors. You took an administrator's state exam, you went through the training, and sometimes people still don't understand certain things, and that's why I'm here to assist you. So, pretty much to sum it up, yes, you can use a portable generator. Yes, the portable generator is less expensive than the actual stationary generator that most people have. But if you're going to go that route, you need to work with a licensed electrician that's going to be able to show you, to help you with the proper installations and the wiring of that generator, to help you with the proper installation of your gas line, because you still do need to have an emergency fuel supply. And your generator needs to be connected to both, okay? Directly inside of your power line, your generator needs to be able to be connected with the fuel supply line. And you will be trained, and you have to train your staff, and you have to have a policy and procedure for those things. Now that the light go out, you're going to have to connect the generator to your main supply. You're going to have to connect the generator to your fuel supply, and you're going to have to go inside, and in the power breaker, you're going to have to activate that. And after you activate the generator from your power breaker, everything that's supposed to be on that have to have electricity will have electricity. Your generator needs to be sufficient enough to provide that power that you need. Also, keep in mind that you need to have your generator at least 5 feet away from any openings to the house, like doors, windows. If you have any type of opening to the house because of the carbon monoxide. God forbid the lights go out for at least 3 days, okay, 96 hours. Make sure that you don't forget that. Make sure you do not let anybody convince you that you can just have a portable generator that is not directly connected or installed properly. Please, I want you to be protected, and I want to make sure that you know exactly what to expect. I want you to be educated.